A novelist spends weeks perfecting a single page. A poet agonizes over every line. A journalist rewrites a headline 10 times before it feels right. Then an AI finishes the same task in 5 seconds. No coffee breaks, no writer's block, no emotion. Just output. Fast, precise, flawlessly structured. The internet explodes with AI-generated books, scripts, and articles. Publishers can't even tell which ones were written by humans anymore. So the question isn't, can AI write? It's whether humans can still write better. And if words are no longer ours to own, what does that mean for creativity itself? Welcome to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore artificial intelligence, future tech, and the tools that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into, can AI write better than humans? Artificial intelligence has already transformed how we write. From chatbots that draft essays to algorithms that generate screenplays, machines are now creating stories, articles, and poetry once thought to be uniquely human. Models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude are trained on billions of words from across the internet, learning style, structure, and emotion through sheer volume. They don't just copy, they synthesize. They learn what makes writing work. For every word you've ever read, there's now an AI that understands why it was written. AI can write faster than any human alive. It can produce an entire novel outline, script, or blog post in seconds. It never gets tired, never doubts itself, never struggles with inspiration. But here's the catch. Creativity isn't about speed. It's about soul. Humans write from pain, joy, and experience. AI writes from data. Its words sound convincing, but they're hollow, a mirror of meaning without emotion behind the glass. So the real competition isn't about writing skill, it's about connection. The scary part? AI is already outperforming humans in measurable writing tasks. It passes language exams, writes click-optimized headlines, and creates ad copy that converts better than human marketers. News agencies use AI to generate financial reports, weather updates, and sports recaps faster than any newsroom. And readers? Most can't tell the difference. That's the quiet revolution. AI doesn't need to be better than us. It just needs to be good enough. AI writing feels fresh, but it's built from fragments of what already exists. Every sentence is a remix of patterns from billions of human writers. When AI writes a new idea, it's really a combination of old ones rearranged beautifully. That means AI isn't creating culture, it's curating it. The danger? When everything we read begins to sound the same, creativity becomes predictable, art loses its edge, and originality fades into optimization. Here's something to think about. What if the next bestseller, the next viral speech, or the next Oscar-winning script was already written by AI? Stay with me, because what comes next might make you question where inspiration really comes from. The smartest creators aren't fighting AI, they're collaborating with it. Writers now use AI to brainstorm, outline, and refine their work. It's like having a co-author who knows every book ever written. Screenwriters feed ideas into AI to break through creative blocks. Authors use it to polish dialogue and test tone. Journalists use it to summarize hours of interviews in minutes. AI becomes a tool for amplification. not replacement. The difference between a lazy writer and a legendary one now depends on how they use the machine. But who owns an AI-generated story? If a human writes a prompt and an algorithm produces the content, who's the real author? Publishers and legal systems are already struggling with that question. Can you copyright something written by a non-human entity? Should AI tools credit the writers they trained on? The law hasn't caught up to the code, and until it does, authorship may become one of the most contested ideas of the digital age. Despite all of AI's power, it still can't feel. It can mimic emotion, but it doesn't experience heartbreak, fear, or wonder. When humans write, we bleed through the words. We turn pain into poetry and struggle into story. That's the one thing AI can never replicate, the human condition behind creativity. Readers connect, not to perfection, but to imperfection. And that's where humans still win. In the coming years, the best writing won't come from humans or machines. It'll come from both. Writers who can merge intuition with computation will define storytelling's next era. Imagine novels written through human imagination, but edited by AI rhythm engines that maximize flow and engagement, or journalism powered by fact-checking AIs that keep every sentence truthful. We're heading toward a hybrid world where creativity isn't replaced, it's reinforced. AI is also changing what it means to be literate. Students will no longer just learn how to write, they'll learn how to direct AI to write well. Prompting, editing, and refining will become the new creative skills. In the same way, calculators didn't destroy math, AI won't destroy writing. It'll redefine it. But just like math, the ones who rely on the tool without understanding it will fall behind. AI won't kill creativity. It'll expose who actually has it. So, can AI write better than humans? Technically, yes. Emotionally, never. AI can generate structure, style, and logic. But only humans can give words meaning. The future of writing isn't a war between man and machine. It's a partnership between imagination and intelligence. And if you know how to master that balance, you'll never be replaced. You'll be enhanced. If you found this episode inspiring, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into artificial intelligence and future tech. And in our next video, we'll shift from creativity to commerce, the role of AI in supply chains. We'll explore how AI is reshaping global trade, logistics, and the movement of everything that keeps our world running.